Okay, we have another dilemma. This dilemma happens to be spacing, I believe. You can see that I had to Dremel out that red insert so that it fit on the final drive perfectly good, because the other one was a little bit smaller. This one looks like it could probably go in a little bit more, but our problem is the nut, the axle does not come out. You can see that. The axle is in there and will not protrude outward as it does over here. So I'm not sure what to do. Do they make a longer axle? Do I need a longer axle? Did I do something wrong? Everything's fitting in there. Yes, the motors don't go all the way to the wall, but I can't make them go anywhere because they don't have a bolt. I can't screw them in like the old ones, but they're solid. They don't move. They're pretty solid. Same thing with this one, so I'm not worried about that. I just need a longer axle, I think.